Are you tired of feeling like your metabolism is broken, making it impossible to lose stubborn weight? This feeling is incredibly frustrating. You struggle with constant, intense hunger and blood sugar crashes that ruin your energy and focus. This is a vicious cycle. Imagine one simple, spicy morning shot that instantly flips your body into a powerful fat-burning machine. This boost is real. This two-ingredient tonic naturally speeds up your metabolism, helping you burn calories much faster. It increases your internal heat. This natural secret is scientifically proven to reduce appetite and significantly lower dangerous blood sugar spikes. It helps you control hunger. The combination of these two kitchen staples is the ultimate defense against insulin resistance and slow metabolism. They work perfectly together. Studies confirm this spicy shot can boost fat-burning thermogenesis by up to 40% immediately after drinking it. That is huge power. This is the ultimate, cheap, non-drug secret to achieving effortless weight loss, stable energy, and stopping cravings. It costs almost nothing. We'll expose the crucial, specific type of ACV you must use. The clear version is useless junk. Get the one with the mother. If you ignore slow metabolism and blood sugar chaos, you risk diabetes, heart disease, and severe fatigue. The danger is silent. We'll reveal the exact safe ratio and the simple trick to protect your throat from the intense spice. Use the best method. Don't skip the final warning about the severe side effect that can happen if you drink this shot undiluted. You must dilute it properly. ACV is the primary metabolic regulator. It contains acetic acid, which is scientifically proven to improve insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity means your cells open up easily to absorb sugar, which prevents blood sugar spikes and stops the fat-storing process. This stabilization of blood sugar is the key to stopping the frantic cycle of hunger and sugar cravings that drive weight gain. Cayenne pepper contains the active compound capsaicin. Capsaicin is what gives the pepper its heat and its incredible metabolic power. Capsaicin works by initiating thermogenesis. It raises your body's internal temperature slightly, causing you to burn calories faster. This immediate boost in calorie burning is why cayenne pepper is such a great tool for accelerating weight loss and boosting a sluggish metabolism. The synergy of this shot is simple and powerful. ACV stabilizes the sugar signals, and cayenne pepper increases the rate at which your body burns energy. This metabolic one-two-punch is highly effective at destroying stubborn belly fat by making your body burn fat for fuel. Studies have shown that capsaicin intake can help reduce calorie consumption later in the day, especially reducing the desire for fatty foods. This stack helps you eat less without even realizing it, making weight management feel much easier and more natural. For the best results, you must use organic, unfiltered ACV with the mother. The mother contains the beneficial enzymes and probiotics necessary for gut and metabolic health. You must also use pure cayenne pepper powder, which ensures a high concentration of the active capsaicin. The correct morning ritual is crucial for safety. You must always dilute this potent mixture. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Adjust to your tolerance in 8 ounces of water. Add a slice of lemon or lime to make the taste better and to protect your tooth enamel. Drink this shot first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This timing maximizes the metabolic fat-burning signals before you introduce food. Start slowly with the cayenne pepper. If you are new to spice, start with just a few pinches and slowly increase the amount over several weeks. This consistency ensures your body can handle the heat and avoids severe stomach distress. Remember to hit that like button if you are ready to fire up your metabolism, and subscribe to Reverse Doctrine. The detox benefits of this shot are excellent. ACV helps promote better digestion and acts as a gentle cleanser for the liver. Capsaicin also helps stimulate circulation and aids in the detoxification process, helping your body flush out toxins efficiently. This internal cleanup contributes to better energy levels and clearer skin, as toxins often manifest as dullness or blemishes. The final warning we promised concerns the absolute danger of drinking this tonic incorrectly. Never, ever drink the ACV and cayenne pepper undiluted. The high acidity of the ACV and the intense heat of the capsaicin will severely damage your throat and erode your tooth enamel. Always dilute it with at least 8 ounces of water, and consider using a straw. Rinse your mouth immediately with plain water after drinking. If you have existing stomach ulcers or severe acid reflux, consult your doctor before using this shot, as this spice may aggravate raw tissue. We've covered the metabolic boost, the craving control, the safety measures, and the exact preparation method. This simple, spicy shot is your ultimate, affordable tool for flipping the metabolic switch and achieving effortless, accelerated fat loss. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this powerful metabolism booster. Now, tell us in the comments below, how much cayenne pepper will you start with? And what is your goal, the fat burn or the craving control? We want to hear your primary goal. If this video revealed the simple secret to fixing someone's slow metabolism or high blood sugar, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them the key to weight freedom. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 common supplements that are secretly accelerating your hair loss and aging. Thank you for trusting Reverse Doctrine. Spice up your metabolism and live lighter. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.